Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Provisional Cast-On method. For this, you'll need your knitting needle and a crochet hook. So to get started, you're going to create a slip knot. And you'll end up holding your yarn just like you would for normal crocheting. If you're not a crocheter, that's okay. So you just wrap your yarn around your finger and pull through a loop to create a little slip knot. Then what I end up doing is wrapping my yarn around my pinky and my pointer finger. And this is for tension. Everybody's a little bit different on how they would like to hold the tension on their crochet hook, so just do what feels best for you. So we're going to go ahead and chain a few stitches first, and then we're going to continue chaining with the knitting needle in the way. So how that works is you'll have your yarn behind and then just grab it and pull through to make a chain. And you'll do this for all of your desired stitches. After you get started, it ends up going pretty okay and pretty fast. Then when you have enough chains, you just end up chaining a couple at the end. Then you would tie off your yarn, and then you would start your work knitting into these stitches like they are regular stitches. And a provisional cast-on is a way of casting on stitches so that the cast-on row can later be removed, leaving a live row. So some patterns call for this to where you would stitch on one side and then you would pull off this end and be able to stitch on the other side. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.